सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. In this video we are going to solve exercise 9.2 problem number 3. Look at the question. If the mean of the following frequency distribution is 7.2, find the value of k. So he has already given the mean of the following data, but in one frequency he has given as k. We have to find this k value with the use of this mean 7.2. So already we have formula for that. What is the formula for mean? Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Okay, right. So I am writing here mean x bar is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi, that is already given. X bar is equals to 7.2, nothing but sigma fi xi by sigma fi is equals to 7.2. This is the equation 1. Consider, okay, consider it as equation 1. So now we have to find the sigma fi xi and sigma fi. We have to substitute the values in this equation. We'll get the k value. Is it clear? This is very important problem. This model is very important, right? So make a table first. X values here and y, f values here, and fi into xi. Right. So x values are done here. For x values 2, we have f value 4. For 4 it is 7. For 6 it is 8. Sorry. For 6 it is 10. For 8 it is 16. For 10 it is k. For 12 it is 3. So how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 7, 10, 16, k, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, right. What we need to do? We have to multiply these two. Okay. So 2 4s are 8. 2 into 4 equal to 8. 4 7s are 28. 6 into 10. What is that? It is 16. 16 8s. Wait. Right. 2 4s are 8. 4 7s are 28. 6 into 10 60. 16 8s. This is 128. 10 into k. 10 into k. 10k. Okay. 10 into k. 10k. 12 into 3. 36. 12 is 36. Okay. Now we have to find the sum of these fi xi values and sum of these fi values, f values. So sigma fi is equals to, so 7 plus 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 3, 20, and okay, 2 here to carry, 2, 3, 4, 40. Is it 40? Yeah, it is 26, 26, 30, 40. 40 plus this k, what becomes? 40 plus k is the sum of the EF values, isn't it? Let's come to here. So 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 8 24, 24 plus 6 30, 0 and 3 carry here, 3 3 6, 6 2 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 2 16. Is it 16? Yeah, 10 here, 10 plus 6 16, 16 6 here, 1 carry again, 1 2. It is 260 plus this 10k plus 10k. Is it clear? So we got sigma fi xi is equals to 260 plus 10k. So check once again. 80, 200, 224, 224, 230, 260. Okay, right, very good. It's clear. So we have to substitute these values in the formula, so in the equation. So from 1 implies sigma fi, here it is, sigma fi xi, here it is. So 260 plus 10k by 40 plus k is equals to 7.2. So take the cross multiplication. 260 plus 10k is equals to 7.2 into 40 plus k it is. So 40 into 72 we do first. 200, 2 4s are 8, 700, 7 4s are 28, 0882. So 2880 point, here it is 288.0 plus 7.2k, and this becomes 260 plus 10k as it is. So bring this 7.2k here and take this to RHS side. So 10k minus 7.2k is equals to 288, it is 288.0, nothing but 288 minus 260, isn't it? Is it clear? Now what we do? So it becomes 7.2, I think it is 2.8 is less. So 2.8k is equals to, this becomes, yeah, how much less? 28. Is it 28? Yes, 28. So 28k by 10 is equals to 28. So I am removing the decimal point, that's why I am writing 10 here. So 28k is equals to 28 into 10 by 28 into 10. So k is equals to 28 into 10 by 28. So 28 gets cancelled. K is equals to 10 is the frequency value. Okay. So we got k value equals to 10. This is the procedure of finding the k value if the mean is already given 7.2 here. Okay. Right. This is very important model. Right on.